Salam everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're making chicken tikka pizza. I've listed all the ingredient details in the description box below. So we'll start off by taking 3 to 4 tablespoons of hot water in a bowl. Next we'll add in some sugar and yeast. Give it a slight mix, cover and keep it in a warm place until it gets fluffy. For preparing the dough we'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Next we'll add in an egg. Further, we'll add in our fluffy yeast mixture. If your yeast mixture doesn't get frothy enough, don't use it. Mix these both ingredients well in the flour. Now we'll add in some salt and oil. Knead the dough with the help of some warm water. Make sure that your dough isn't sticky. Cover and keep it in a warm place until it gets double in size. Here you can see that my dough is completely doubled in size. Place the dough on the pizza plate. Next, give it a shape of the pizza base just like mine. Make some holes with the help of a fork on the base. This way the pizza sauce will penetrate nicely. Bake the base on 180 degrees until it rises well. Here the base is completely ready. Now we'll be preparing our chicken. So for marinating the chicken, we'll take 1/4 cup of yogurt. Here I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of tikka masala. Mix it well, then add in a tablespoon of garlic paste. Don't forget adding in a tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix it well and marinate for an hour or 2. After marination, take a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Next, add in our marinated chicken. Cover and keep it on low flame until it gets completely tendered. When you feel like it's cooked, give it some cold smoke. We're done with the chicken. Now we'll be preparing our pizza sauce. Take a pan and add in a tablespoon of oil. When it gets heated, add in a teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute for a while, then add in the tomatoes and onions. Here goes a teaspoon of crushed red chilies and salt to taste. Cover and leave on low flame so that the tomatoes and onions get softened. When you feel like they're softened, add in 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup. Mix well, then add in half a teaspoon of black pepper. Turn off the flame, and when the sauce is on room temperature, blend it in a blender. It's time to assemble our pizza. So first, spread the blended pizza sauce on the pizza base. Spread some chicken, onion, tomatoes and capsicum cubes. I sprinkled some cheddar and mozzarella cheese. You can go for your favorite. For a pleasant smell, spread in your favorite herbs. And decorate it with onions, capsicum and olives. You can also add mushrooms if you want. That's it for today. If you guys liked the video, don't forget subscribing and turn that back thumb below. I'll see you in my next video with another recipe. Till then, take care, live long.